I'm Rebekah. This is Sovereign Farmology. I know no one is coming to save me, or you for that matter. This is how I'm taking my life back. Today, this is what that looks like. I'm sitting here with bills due. You know, the ones you get in your mailbox and they keep sending to you and they keep texting you and send a notification. Past due, pay immediately. Yeah. I think all of us have this in common, some way, shape, or form. Responsibilities everywhere. Kids to teach and take care of. And work I still have to go to actually make money. And you know, I'm realizing something. I can either do what I've been doing my entire life, sitting and waiting for things to get easier, or I can start building my way out. Now, I don't want you to get the wrong idea. This isn't just about bills. I've been through a lot physically too. My health hasn't always been where it should be. I've had moments where my body was breaking down, where stress took over, and I still had to keep going. Still had to show up for my kids, still had to figure it all out. But I'm still here. I'm still standing, or sitting at this point. But what does that mean? That means I still have a choice in the matter. You see, I realized at some point I had to be honest with myself. Nobody is coming to fix this for me, no matter what it is, whether it's my health situation, my financial situation, my spiritual situation. No one's going to fix it for me. Not the system, not other people, not anything outside of me. And that's not a bad thing. That's actually where everything starts to change. Because if nobody is coming to save me, that means I can start saving myself. That means I can start making different choices. So I started doing something small. Something that most people would overlook. I started paying attention. Paying attention to what I do have. The moments in life that we kind of miss. I started finding moments every day that I'm actually grateful for. Even on the hard days. Even when things aren't going right. And at first, that seemed to be more of those type of days. But I thought if I could just still feel for a moment gratitude, if I could just still find one thing, no matter how crazy my day was, how bad it was, what negative energies I was walking into, if I could just still find that one little bitty thing. And I did. And that's what started changing how I think, how I feel, and how I respond to life. And I have not been doing it just sporadically, just one day here and one day there. I have been doing this every day. Every day I make it my mission to find something positive, something that I'm grateful for, a lesson that I have learned, just to be in that moment. And I'm starting to notice a difference. Mentally, physically, spiritually, it's there. And that's why I can smile. That's why I feel lighter. Because I made it my mission. And that's why I'm here. And I'm not telling you what to do or not to do. I'm just showing you what I'm doing. Because if you're sitting here where I have been, feeling stuck, overwhelmed, covered in bills, stressed out, health problems, emergency room visits, and just waiting for something to change. Start with that one thing. One moment, one decision. Because nobody's coming to save you. And that's the truth that most people avoid.